hello, my dear traders, it's Marion. And today I want to try myself in various kind of situations with different combinations of indicators. I will gain as much as possible today, approximately like $10,000 or maybe more. Let's make this dream come true with different types of combination of indicators. Okay, let's go. First of all, it will be Bollinger Bands and RSI. So what I can say, okay, let's have a look. Okay, you know that RSI is displayed as an oscillator on a scale of 70 and 30. Yes, here. And with this indicator, as you see, I can do more than point to overbought and oversold securities. Okay. It can also indicate securities that may be primed for a trend reversal or corrective pullback in price. So it can be a signal when to buy and sell traditionally. And yes, here we are. Okay. First pair, it's not really like really good situation, not really fun with it. Even if the RSI line is laying on the level of 70, and for me it is signal to be really attentive because the price will whether go up and down. But but thanks God we have Bollinger Bands that's showing us that candlesticks are laying on the green line of it. Anyway, the situation is not really certain, and I want to give it a time. That's because we will think about our investment box, so like $100, and I think will be good enough. And let's check out the situation with call option. And first trade and first excellent profit. So really good, and I'm really happy about it. It was a good signal for me actually, and as I mentioned, the row of candlesticks are on the green line of Bollinger Bands, and it was my last try to make the right decision. And RSI is also showing me that the line is overbought area. Okay, and I'm really happy about it. Why not? So let's go and see what we are having in the next currency pair. And I think after the second trade I will change my indicators right now. Okay, let's do it. I don't know whether I will go with oscillator or maybe trend indicator. Why not? Okay, I'll think about it later. Yes, so what can I say? Let's see what we're having in this kind of situation. While you see red one, green one, red one, green one, red one. And here we are with this kind of interesting row. That's because we are here seeing a pretty wavy lines of Bollinger Bands. And yes, you see this little waves in RSI indicator also, but I'm not really sure. Okay. The situation changed. Right now I see it more clearly that the price is going a little bit up if we look at the RSI indicator. And yes, I don't really fan of this situation now because of the Bollinger Bands, and the Bollinger Bands corridor is closing. And so let's make a trade in the next currency pair. So guys, I really like this situation because it was kind of obvious for me. You saw that all candlesticks are laying on the green line of Bollinger Bands, and yeah, the price going up if we watch RSI indicator. Just here, yeah, you can see it. Having a lot of good signals right now, like yes, it's really happy. So I think it's time to go to another currency pair, of course, with 92 of Marion first of all. And yes, let's change indicators. I think I will remove Bollinger Bands. That's what I'm gonna do, and go with alligator maybe. okay, let's stay with it. Why not? And okay, what I have here, you see the trend is about all three lines of alligator. So anyway, they are going up, or maybe they will, yes, they're changing their directions. Also, if you see RSI line is an overbought area, but I think after a few minutes it will go down again. So and I want to be sure that I will make a right move if I will trade here. So first of all, let me change my investment box, of course, with $380. Why not? And okay, let's check this out with greens. Nice profit again. Yes, really happy about it. It's really nice. And you know what? The alligator indicator can also help traders design tempos and corrective wave formations. But the tool works best when combined with the momentum indicator. That's because we are having RSI right over here, but also we have different kind of momentum indicators. We will look at it the next currency pair, and let's go. Okay, and yes, I will remove RSI. Let's have a look at list. Let's remove RSI, and yes, momentum indicator. What are they? RSI and maybe... Okay, let's go with the MACD indicator. Really like this picture. It seems like full, and yes, you see after this chaotic situation, the alligator lines are formed. You can see it, and right now we see that the green line is under a red one. And yes, we have an intersection with the MACD indicator. It's some kind of forward signal, but we need to wait a little bit. So let's go to our investment box. I think $740. Okay, and I made my decision already. And yes, let's go and check this out with put option, and let's go. Good, really happy as well that this combination indicator is working really good for me, especially MACD, of course. We have this kind of intersection where MACD line made an intersection with the green one while it went up actually, and that was a good sign for me to make put option. And yes, I really like this. Yeah, sometimes one indicator is enough. And yes, okay, let's go to another currency pair. I think I will be working with these kind of indicators, these combination indicators in this trade, because I really like how it works. Yeah. So yes, I think I will change my investment box already with 1,100, yes. And let's check this situation with put option. Let's go. That was a pretty risky situation, but I managed to do it. So I'm still really happy because it was just in time. Also, thanks to my combination indicators, I was pretty sure that I will gain my money. I was quite sure. So if you want to know more about certain combinational indicators, you can find me in my previous videos, or you can go to my Telegram channel. Okay. So there I share my own free signals. And let's go to that interesting currency pair. Okay, so what is MACD and RSI indicator? The MACD measures the relationship between two MAIs, while the RSI measures the price change in relation to recent price highs and lows. So these two indicators are often used together to provide analysts with a more complete technical picture of a market. So that's because we will go our list of indicators and have an RSI with us. And I will remove the alligator, and go with, for example, it will be moving average, guys. So I think it will be fun. 90% of payout. We're really looking like forward to how I will gain my money. And yes, let's change our investment box, I think, to $2,200, almost all in. And yeah, we will check the situation with call option. Profit again, and yes, you saw that this combination of indicators works again for my pleasure. Like, it's really good. I am really enjoying it. The moving average helps to level the price data over a specified period of creating a constantly updated average price, and I'm using this feature right now like really well. Okay, so MACD indicator is showing me that it is an intersection between the lines, like this, just here. And yes, right now we see it in our graphic. RSI is showing me also that the price will go a little bit down. And yes, we see it also here, so I'm really happy about it. Let's go to the first currency pair. Let's see what I will gain from this equation. So again, I don't really want to say that it's similar situation, but we will work with it. I'm sure we will work with it, and after that I will have a moment to tell you how it worked. So, $3,000, and let's go with the call option. So if we look at RSI indicator, we will see that the line is in our both area. And yes, you see that MACD lines are at the top of the graphic. And yeah, like this. And it was kind of not really certain. Like clear signal for me, but I decided to combine these signals and make my perfect decision. That's because I'm here with already $7,000, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm really happy about it. So let's go to another currency pair and see what I can do more. So let's see. Okay, what can I say here? You see, like, every RSI is touching the level 30 right now. It is laying on it. The intersection was a few minutes ago. That's because I'm not really sure whether I need to use it. And yes, right now the situation is like that. The MACD line is under the red line. And yes, you see the graphic of the bars of the MACD in the last approximately 10 minutes. Like, they are all greens. You can see here. So that's because we need to be really attentive and see what will happen after a few seconds. So 3,000 my investment box, and let's check the situation with red. And I'm in a profit again. And yes, it is kind of a moment where we are going just with trend. If we zoom out a little bit, we will see that it is bearish moments. And yes, right away here, and I was just going with the trend because I saw it was pretty strong. Like, pretty strong. So let's go to another currency pair and see what I can do more. So I think my last trade will be with $9,000. That's because I really need to be attentive and see all signals. Of course, because it is a big deal for me, guys. So I think everyone will agree with me. Let's go to another currency pair, and I want to see a whole list of currency pairs that I have right now. So let's check out briefly all of them. Okay. Well, okay. And the last one also. Okay, So I didn't see much good entry points, and that's because we will work, I think. Wow. Let's go to the previous one. Yeah. And with a 93% of payout, I really like this, but I don't really like what indicators are showing. And that's because it's really pity for me, but I can't do anything with this situation. Really can't. Let's go, okay, and see one more time the whole list. Okay. The second one for the first one. So what can I say? I don't really see any intersections in MACD, guys. This is really surprising for me, yeah. Okay, what can I say? Let's stay here. Let's stay here and check out with my $9,000 with put option. So guys, I'm sure we're almost like $18,000. I want to trade one more time. I really want to, but I think it's time to stop here because I don't really want to waste my money at this point because it's like quite enough. It's really good. It's really good. That's because I want to end this session right now. I'm really happy and I really hope that you like it as me. So if you want to know more signals, more combination of indicators, you can go to my Telegram channel where I share my own free signals also. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course. And please leave some comments down below this video. Like, I am really interested like these comments in what you are thinking about this session. Thank you so much, and yes, let's meet in another video. Bye guys.